Guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to be doing another thing different, not the usual thing we normally do. Cooking. Today I'm going to show you guys how I clean where I cook, because we can't just be cooking not cleaning where we cook. So these are the few ingredients that I'm going to use to clean my kitchen, the place where I cook, and some of my boiler, the one I used to boil the water. My own has these limestones, those white stuff you see inside your kettle or inside your boiler. So guys, they are so irritating, especially when I'm cooking, when I see this limestone at the bottom of my kettle. Oh god, I don't like it at all. So with these ingredients that you are seeing here, they are so effective to take it out of your kettle. Guys, try it out. You will see it works so good, so nice, and they are not toxicated. They are so good to use. All these are home remedies, things we use in our house, everyday things we use, like the salt, baking soda, the white vinegar. So guys, if this is your first time, you're welcome to my channel. My old and new subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my video. You guys are so good, you guys are wonderful. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. That is just the only way you guys have to subscribe to my channel. Giving my video a thumbs up, share to your friends and families, and hit the notification bell. So guys, that is just the only way. I love you all guys so much. So now let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I have these two miraculous ingredients that you are seeing here. That is the white vinegar and salt. They are so effective if you use them to clean your kitchen. Guys, trust me out for this. So I'm just going to use them to soak all the parts of all these parts of the cooker. I'm just going to use them to soak it. I've soaked this one with vinegar and salt, and I will leave it throughout the night. So the next morning I'll come and wash it out very well, and I will show you. Also, I'm just going to pour some salt on the surface of these parts of the cooker. Then also I will pour some white vinegar and I will set it aside throughout the night. So guys, you need to add more vinegar because you just want the thing to work very well. So you need more salt, more vinegar, and just soak them and leave them. Guys, trust me out of this. They are so effective and they cost nothing. It's so cheap. Also, this is my boiler, my kettle. I have some limestones in there. I don't like that thing. It's so irritating. Sometimes when I'm cooking, if I'm pouring water on my food, I see those white stuff falling out into my food. I don't like it. So this salt and white vinegar, they are so effective. They will take all those things out. Also, in my sink where I wash my plates, I'm just going to show you the way I use my baking soda. Anytime maybe it's blocked, the place is blocked, I'll just pour my baking soda in there, a lot of baking soda. And I'll also pour my white vinegar. Then I will leave it for a very long period. You can do it in the night and leave it throughout the night. In the morning, you just put hot water. So now this is my cooker. I just want to use these things, these vinegar and salt. Also, I want to show you guys this thing help the place to be very beautiful and it makes it to shine very well. So I'll just pour the vinegar around and sprinkle salt around the surface of the cooker. Then I will use my sponge to spread it around very well. Then I'm going to leave this thing throughout the night also. So now this is the next morning. I'm just going to pour hot water inside the hole of my sink, but my own is not blocked. I'm just using this one as illustration for you guys to see how it works. If your own is blocked, you just do it like this, it will open. So now I'm just going to pour the vinegar out of my kettle or my boiler to see the result. Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name. So guys, as you can see, do you see all what I'm seeing here? These are all the limestones that was inside my kettle. So these things, I don't like it, so irritating, especially when you are cooking, you want to use it to boil water. They'll just be falling inside your food, so it's not good. That is why I just want to share it with you guys, so that if you have a kettle like this, just do this thing like this. You see the result, you will love it. Wow, did you see? It's so clean. I wanted to throw away my kettle before a friend teach me this thing that I did too, so I decided to share it with you guys also. So now I'm just going to wash all the parts of the cooker, then later I'll be back so that we'll see the result together. So now I'm just going to clean up my cooker with my sponge. I'll just use it to clean everywhere, take off the salt and the white vinegar. So guys, try and do your own like this. It makes your cooker to look very new and shiny like that. You can't even imagine with these little things. It works very well. I just use clean water and my kitchen napkin to clean it very well. So now I'm just going to wash the other parts of the cooker, then later we'll see the result. So guys, you see, everything is working perfectly. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling so now, this is the result of everything after cleaning it with these few ingredients that it doesn't even cost anything, guys. So my kettle, I wanted to throw it away, now is like a brand new again. So guys, you try it out, you will surprise and you will not believe your eyes. So guys, I don't even know what to say. I'm so happy, and I'm happy to share this video with you guys because somebody taught me this thing. So I also decided to show other people, so that if you have the same problem like I do, you also use it to clean up your kitchen and your boiler. You see, my boiler is like a new one now. Wow. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you can also share to every friends and families. And above all guys, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will never miss any of my video. And I'm going to see you in my next video. I love you all guys. Bye. See you.